Hello everyone, and this is Edmond Mendaro's channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to fix screenshot folder location is not available or missing in Windows 11. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay open lang natin ang ating File Explorer. And then kapag clinic natin tong pictures na to, missing dito yung ating default screenshot folder, wala dito. And then kapag click natin itong screenshot folder na to, ganito yung lumalabas. Location is not available and then screenshot is unavailable. If the location is on this PC, make sure the device or drive is connected or the disk is inserted. Kung paano ba natin ito aayusin at ipipix, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin hanapin kung saan na-move ang default screenshot folder. Alright, so ang next step ay click lang natin tong this PC. And then, check natin dito sa C drive. Ayan. And then, the other one, check natin tong D drive natin. Ayan. So, nandito yung ating screenshot folder default. So, kung paano ba natin to aayusin? So, dito lang sa screenshot folder na to. So, right-click lang tayo. And then, kailangan mo nang select tong properties. And then, dito sa kanyang properties, kailangan mo nang select yung location. And then dito sa location ay kailangan mo lang select yung restore default. So, i-click lang natin yan. And then makikita mo dito na nandito na yung ating default settings ng screenshot folder. Ito siya. So, ang next, kailangan mo lang click tong apply. Then, click mo yung yes. Okay? So, click mo yung yes. And then, room. Okay? Ayan mga kaibigan. So, makikita nyo dito na na-move na siya. And then, check na natin. So, click lang natin tong ating pictures, ayan. And then, nandito na siya mga kaibigan. So, pag click natin tong screenshot na to, and then, na-fix na po siya. Andito na lahat. So, na-move na yung, or na-restore na yung default setting ng screenshot folder natin. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin ipipix ang screenshot folder location is not available. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.